Gel exploding 30% in a single day. Microsurgeon on the chips that AI gotta pay. Data center rising like cities made of light. Algorithms trading algorithms deep into the night. AI writing code, AI making video scenes. Automation creeping into every workflow stream. AI does the work and the who's left to buy the product at the end of the day. Traders glued their headlines, eyes locked on the screen. Situation room meetings, nothing's what it seems. Decision coming soon, but it drags into delay. Future spike, futures crash, then they fade away. One tweet moves billions, one rumor sparks to run. Refreshing every second like it's chasing the sun. Is this innovation or a bubble in disguise? A new digital empire or a system overhyped? We're building something massive, but nobody agrees. Staying silent since the market like a storm through the thieves. Tandies, now the whole world's sending Tandies. In the age of AI and endless trading dreams, we don't just chase tendies, we print reality. Yeah, markets making all-time highs, everything in overdrive. Every day I went from game, it keeps climbing while the bears still wait for the fall. Every dip gets bought back like it never dropped at all. Apes in the trenches, YOLO bets on fire. Diamond hands locked tight as the candles climb higher. Gamma squeezes ripping through the options chain. FD's up in flames, I'm printing life-changing gains. Tandies, everybody chasing tandies. Hey, I'm running everything, the future's looking trendy. Body dive, Robbie, that we never learned a lesson. Every day's a new rotation, market got obsession. Yeah, gel exploding 30% in a single day. Microsurgeon on the chips that AI gotta pay. Data center rising like cities made of light. Algorithms trading algorithms deep into the night. AI writing code, AI making video scenes. Automation creeping into every workflow stream. If AI does the work and the labor fades away, who's left to buy the product at the end of the day? Traders glued their headlines, eyes locked on the screen. Situation room meetings, nothing's what it seems. Decision coming soon, but it drags into delay. Future spike, futures crash, then they fade away. One tweet moves billions, one rumor sparks to run. Refreshing every second like it's chasing the sun. Is this innovation or a bubble in disguise? A new digital empire or a system overhyped? We're building something massive, but nobody agrees. Staying silent since the market like a storm through the thieves. Tandies, now the whole world's sending Tandies. In the age of AI and endless trading dreams, we don't just chase tendies, we print reality. Yeah, markets making all-time highs, everything in overdrive. Every day I went from gaming rigs to power in the AI hive. Google keeps climbing while the bears still wait for the fall. Every dip gets bought back like it never dropped at all. Apes in the trenches, YOLO bets on fire. Diamond hands locked tight as the candles climb higher. Gamma squeezes ripping through the options chain. FD's up in flames, I'm printing life-changing gains. Tandies, everybody chasing tandies. Hey, I'm running everything, the future's looking trendy. Body dive, Robbie, that we never learned a lesson. Every day's a new rotation, market got obsession. Yeah, gel exploding 30% in a single day. Microsurgeon on the chips that AI gotta pay. Data center rising like cities made of light. Algorithms trading algorithms deep into the night. AI writing code, AI making video scenes. Automation creeping into every workflow stream. If AI does the work and the labor fades away, who's left to buy the product at the end of the day? Traders glued their headlines, eyes locked on the screen. Situation room meetings, nothing's what it seems. Decision coming soon, but it drags into delay. Future spike, futures crash, then they fade away. One tweet moves billions, one rumor sparks to run. Refreshing every second like it's chasing the sun. Is this innovation or a bubble in disguise? A new digital empire or a system overhyped? We're building something massive, but nobody agrees. Staying silent since the market like a storm through the thieves. Tandies, now the whole world's sending Tandies. In the age of AI and endless trading dreams, we don't just chase tendies, we print reality. Yeah, markets making all-time highs, everything in overdrive. Every day I went from gaming rigs to power in the AI hive. Google keeps climbing while the bears still wait for the fall. Every dip gets bought back like it never dropped at all. Apes in the trenches, YOLO bets on fire. Diamond hands locked tight as the candles climb higher. Gamma squeezes ripping through the options chain. FD's up in flames, I'm printing life-changing gains. Tandies, everybody chasing tandies. Hey, I'm running everything, the future looking trendy. Body dive, Robbie, that we never learned a lesson. Every day's a new rotation, market got obsession. Yeah, gel exploding 30% in a single day. Microsurging on the chips that AI gotta pay. Data center rising like cities made of light. Algorithms trading algorithms deep into the night. AI writing code, AI making video scenes. Automation creeping into every workflow stream. If AI does the work and the labor fades away, who's left to buy the product at the end of the day? Traders glued their headlines, eyes locked on the screen. Situation room meetings, nothing's what it seems. Decision coming soon, but it drags into delay. Futures spike, futures crash, then they fade away. One tweet moves billions, one rumor sparks to run. Refreshing every second like it's chasing the sun. Is this innovation or a bubble in disguise? A new digital empire or a system overhyped? We're building something massive, but nobody agrees. Staying silent since the market like a storm through the thieves. Tandies, now the whole world's sending tandies. In the age of AI and endless trading dreams, we don't yeah, markets making all-time highs, everything in overdrive. Every day I went from gaming rigs to power in the AI hive. Google keeps climbing while the bears still wait for the fall. Every dip gets bought back like it never dropped at all. Apes in the trenches, YOLO bets on fire. Diamond hands locked tight as the candles climb higher. Gamma squeezes ripping through the options chain. FD's up in flames, I'm printing life-changing gains. Tandies, everybody chasing tandies. Hey, I'm running everything, the future looking trendy. Body dive, Robbie, that we never learned a lesson. Every day's a new rotation, market got obsession. Yeah, gel exploding 30% in a single day. Microsurging on the chips that AI gotta pay. Data center rising like cities made of light. Algorithms trading algorithms deep into the night. AI writing code, AI making video scenes. Automation creeping into every workflow stream. If AI does the work and the labor fades away, who's left to buy the product at the end of the day? Traders glued their headlines, eyes locked on the screen. Situation room meetings, nothing's what it seems. Decision coming soon, but it drags into delay. Futures spike, futures crash, then they fade away. One tweet moves billions, one rumor sparks to run. Refreshing every second like it's chasing the sun. Is this innovation or a bubble in disguise? A new digital empire or a system overhyped? We're building something massive, but nobody agrees. Staying silent since the market like a storm through the thieves. Tandies, now the whole world's sending tandies. In the age of AI and endless trading dreams, we don't just chase tendies, we bring reality. Highs, everything in overdrive. Every day I went from gaming rigs to power in the AI hive. Google keeps climbing while the bears still wait for the fall. Every dip gets bought back like it never dropped at all. Apes in the trenches, YOLO bets on fire. Diamond hands locked tight as the candles climb higher. Gamma squeezes ripping through the options chain. FD's up in flames, I'm printing life-changing gains. Tandies, everybody chasing tandies. Hey, I'm running everything, the future looking trendy. Body dive, Robbie, that we never learned a lesson. Every day's a new rotation, market got obsession. Yeah, gel exploding 30% in a single day. Microsurging on the chips that AI gotta pay. Data center rising like cities made of light. Algorithms trading algorithms deep into the night. AI writing code, AI making video scenes. Automation creeping into every workflow stream. If AI does the work and the labor fades away, who's left to buy the product at the end of the day? Traders glued their headlines, eyes locked on the screen. Situation room meetings, nothing's what it seems. Decision coming soon, but it drags into delay. Futures spike, futures crash, then they fade away. One tweet moves billions, one rumor sparks to run. Refreshing everything in overdrive. Every day I went from gaming rigs to power in the AI hive. Google keeps climbing while the bears still wait for the fall. Every dip gets bought back like it never dropped at all. Apes in the trenches, YOLO bets on fire. Diamond hands locked tight as the candles climb higher. Gamma squeezes ripping through the options chain. FD's up in flames, I'm printing life changing. Tandis, everybody chasing tandis. Hey, I run in everything, the future looking trendy. Body dive, Robbie, that we never learned a lesson. Every day's a new rotation, smirking, got obsession. Yeah, gel exploding 30% in a single day. Microsurgeon on the chips that AI gotta pay. Data center rising like cities made of light. Algorithms trading algorithms deep into the night. AI writing code, AI making video scenes.
Good morning, guys. Morning. How are ya? Hello. Happy Monday. Good morning, everyone. Ariel, David 1, 2, 3, MT, Zach, Sarkis, Robin, Surfix, Osama. Hello. V. Hola. George. Another David. New week. Let's see if the market can finally break out of this horrible range that's been moving on the past few weeks. Any data today? I haven't checked that out. No data? Okay, awesome. Thank you. Hey, Jonathan. So we do have data at 10 or not? $9.45? Okay. I'm ready now. I have all my levels and I'm ready. Going for the gap fill to the 600s maybe. Maybe. So far, we are pretty much in the middle of nowhere. Nice, very clean ES pre-market highs rejection. Apple looks strong. Looks like it wants to retest all-time highs. Thursday close was crazy strong on Apple. Yeah, it definitely looks like it wants more upside, but it could pull back down to 300, 302. Nvidia not doing much. Nvidia's crazy choppy. SMH, very nice hold. 604, 606 hold on SMH. Like the key thing to understand right now is that the market is on a very big choppy range. We don't have a clear trend, so it's a scalper's market so far. We have both ES and NQ trying to hold here. I'll be watching these pre-market highs on ES. If it can break that level, most likely we'll see a move towards previous day's highs. NQ is still kind of far from pre-market highs, and it's a big psychological number, round psychological number, 30K. I know, right? The big coffee mug in front of Target. How was your long weekend, guys? Hey, Edgar. I know a lot of people here were eating a lot of hot dogs. Terrible? Why? Hot dogs. It's pretty much hot dogs, fireworks, beer. Steak barbecue? That sounds pretty good. Oh my god, yeah, Brazilians and Mexicans crying. Horchata? That's good. I know. We only have one South American team, I think. Argentina is the only one that survived so far. US Belgium. That's gonna be a good match. But the best one today is it's Spain, Portugal. That's the one to watch today. I saw so many like funny Mexican memes. I thought this one was hilarious. Look at this. Oh, Colombia is playing also. Colombia's still in it also. Yeah. It's Colombia with O. Columbia is the university. Ah, that's funny. They played pretty good, I will say. Like, Mexico played very good. I don't think Brazil played bad, but they needed to score. And you're playing against Haaland. Like, you needed to score. Yeah, pretty good cup. One thing that I don't like is the US, Trump apparently called the FIFA, and so they got rid of the US red card for I don't know what's the guy's name, but I don't like that. It was a red card, so. This is a red card. So I know you guys are American, but this is a red card. When you come from behind, you cannot do this. That's ridiculous. But when you do that from behind, that's a red card. But whatever. Also, the referees can make mistakes. And if that happens, you cannot, like, a president calling and changing things shouldn't be allowed in sports. You literally, like, you're literally changing things when you allow that. Yeah, I do think Messi should have gotten a yellow card. Let's just say that card should have been yellow instead of red. It already happened. Like, you cannot, doesn't matter what, even if it was a bad call, like referees are human, that just said he should have gotten a yellow instead of red. It already happened. Like, you cannot change things just because the president called you. That's how you mess up the games. Forever, like forever. Who am I rooting for? Spain or Portugal? I like more Spain. I think Spain's playing better. I don't think Portugal is gonna win, but who knows? Anything can happen. Yeah, I think it's the first time in history that happened. Apparently, we have news at 9:45 and 10. Let me check that again. Yeah, we do at 9:45 and 10. Yes. We do have data today, we don't have data tomorrow. Okay, NQEF trying to break pre-market highs. It is the first time that the player is allowed to play right away. Like, I know Ronaldo, he had like a couple of days, like he got suspended, and then like he asked for a review, and then he was allowed to play, but it was like weeks after or a few days after. Nice reaction here on NQ. Same thing on here on ES. Let's see. Beta 10 is gonna change things, but so far, very nice reaction here. Gonna wait and see if we're gonna have a clear rejection here after 10, after data. It's clearly reacting, but it keeps holding this little uptrend. Both ES and NQ. NQ looks a little bit stronger than ES. Let's see if NQ can break that level. It has a lot more room to go. Okay. We have data in 5 minutes. SMH is still looking pretty strong also. Gonna wait for data to come out and see how the market is gonna react here with data. Or I will say a little bit after data. Let's see. IBM? What happened? Oh, it's at all-time highs. Okay, I got an alert on IBM. What? It has a clean uptrend. I will say the main level should be this one. Yeah, 30K, it's a very important resistance level here on NQ. NVIDIA, oh, excuse me, started moving weirdly after the split, and that happens a lot. But I think it's taking too long for NVIDIA to keep it together after the split. Okay, we have data in 2 minutes. Mm-mm. We keep reacting, but at the same time, we keep making higher highs and higher lows. Technically, higher lows. Like we can see how NQ is holding here still, like kind of like a break and retest here. And we have ES holding this little level. Right, so for ES, I'm gonna need to see really losing this little support here. I don't like how it's just moving here, not doing much. No, we're not having like movement so far. And remember how the market's been moving the past few weeks. Very choppy. No clear trend. So we gotta be extra careful and extra patience. Guys, the market is not even moving, like barely moving. So we have nothing. Yeah, very boring price action today. So far. We need something. We need a level break or a pullback and retest. Something. I like more the downside just because I don't like playing upsides when we have a gap below. But the market's doing nothing. We have nothing, literally nothing. Maybe if NQ can really lose this little support here, maybe we have more downside. If NQ wanna go higher, I need this. Okay, it's almost ready for boom boom, maybe. Okay. I need more coffee, I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. Okay, Enki, it's almost there, but we need a cleaner breakout. Kind of reacting 30k. What am I drinking? Coffee. Am I a tea drinker? Yes, I do love tea. I love raspberry tea. I put a little bit of milk, sugar-free maple syrup, green tea, lime, and that's my tea recipe. I drink tea in the afternoon. Okay, we're having the breakout that we want. Same thing here with ES. Just pick one, whichever you prefer to trade. Both pretty much the same plan. I live in the US. Very, very slow move here. I'm gonna take these off so we can see. Té laurel. I think I've tried té laurel. Tempeh Japanese. Let me check that out. Tempeh. Japanese tea. Okay. I think I've seen this one, yeah. Yeah, NQ definitely looking stronger than ES. That's why I got in with NQ, because also it's easier to see what's my entry, stop loss. I have more buying orders a little bit lower. I don't mind this pullback. What I don't love is the very, very slow price action. My stop loss is always whenever the trade is no longer valid. So that's your stop loss. See you, Sarky. Thank you for always being here. I don't like this pullback. We'll see if it's gonna hold or not. Okay, that looks better. That looks a little bit better. Yes, now it's moving. Look at this. Okay. still have NQ fighting this 30k level. I want to see it holding strongly. Okay, that's looking way better now. Do we have now ES stronger than NQ? Did that just change like that in just like 1 minute? Or I will say in a 5-minute candle? Necesito más. Dame más. Give me more. Can you just go? What a boring price action today. Very, very slow. You're holding one? Nice. Come on, NQ. I think it's because SMH is kind of pulling back. It's having, yeah, it looks like it wants to pull back a little bit more. I want to see a strong candle holding here. Okay. Come on, don't reject there. I don't like that. Yeah, SMH is pulling back. I want to see it holding 616 strong. I don't like that reaction there. I mean, as long as I keep holding this little support here, it's bullish. The problem that I have if I don't like this slow ass price action. This is a Garmin watch. I got this watch like 10 years ago, maybe more. And it works perfectly. I love it. Come on, thank you. I want to see a strong bullish candle holding here. I don't like these wiki candles. Okay. Okay. Can you hold? Keep going. Don't hold. Keep going. Don't pull back there. Okay. Go. We need this little level break. So one just in case we have another ugly reaction here. I'm not trading ES, I'm trading NQ. And I mean, you guys can see it here. It's right here. Okay, that's what I was waiting for. Awesome. Keep going. Just keep going now. I wanna see this 5-minute candle holding here. Closing strong. That will give me a lot more confidence to hold this position. I don't want to see an ugly ass rejection candle there. Yeah, I'm gonna sell another one. Again? Okay, let's see how this 5-minute candle is gonna close. I'm gonna sell another one because this is so boring. Okay, let's forget about how boring it is, how slow it is. I'm just gonna look at the technicals, right? So we have NQ holding pre-market highs of support, and it's holding the 30K level. So 30K is a big psychological round number. So as long as NQ keeps holding that support and it's making higher highs and higher lows, I have no reason to be 100% out of this position. We can do something like this, or you can do making break and retest here, break and retest here, right? We need a break and retest here, maybe, or maybe a little bit lower, so it's around here. That's how I hold my position, like in my mind. I'm like, okay, we're holding here, we're holding here. Let's see if we can hold here also. I mean, trading, it should be boring. It's not super exciting when you're doing it right. You pretty much do exactly the same thing over and over again, and most of the time you're just waiting for a good trade. If we see NQ losing this little support here, and the 30-minute candles is an ugly reaction candle like that, I think we're gonna do something like this. It's gonna depend on how I see this 30-minute candle closing, to be honest. Because I'll be looking for something like this, if that happens, right? On the 30-minute time frame. Did Apex change their max payout to 1,500 on the 50K? I don't think so. I don't know. I haven't checked any news today, to be honest. Any prop firm drama. I don't think so. I don't see anything about that. 1,500, it's on the 25K account. Yeah, I don't like this 30-minute time frame here. We'll see. Okay. Very slow price action. I guess the volume is low, so when you have a low volume, it's very easy to get fake outs. It looks like I'm gonna get fake stop out here. These price actions, painful to watch. Yeah, I'm selling another one. I do not care if it keeps holding here. What is that candle? Okay. That candle is insane. Oh my god. Okay, so we're still holding. We're still holding pre-market highs. Should I just sell and just be happy with my day and be done with this? Okay. Yes, do it. I mean, technically we're still holding, we're still making higher highs and higher lows. We're making break, retest, break, retest, break, retest. I'm going to miss the boom boom. You know what? I'm gonna sell another one. I'm just gonna hold one. If it stops me out, stop me out. If it keeps going higher, awesome. So this is what I'm doing. My entry is around here. I'm gonna put a hard stop loss here, and my PT is gonna be around here. That's a good R. Risk to reward 8, almost 19. R to R, so I'm just gonna leave it like that. I think that's a smart thing to do. Yeah, I don't like this price action either. I honestly feel like it's gonna be a fake out, but at the same time, we just keep holding. Apple is looking pretty strong. Nvidia is holding the VWAP. SMH looks like it wants to pull back a little bit more. Let's see. Meta, it needs to break the VWAP. If we want to see more upside, Meta, let's see, Microsoft, it's looking exactly like Meta. It needs to do same thing, break the VWAP. Let's see, Amazon. Not much going on there. YM, let's see, not doing anything. IWM, the Russell, looking strong. The Russell, is that moving? Yes. Yes, it's holding very nicely also. Yeah, so I'm not gonna touch these. The 30-minute time frame on ES is also kinda looking bullish. It looks like it wants to go here. It's having trouble on these highs. Maybe it's because of here, on these little resistance. But I think as long as it keeps holding pre-market highs, it looks like it wants to go here. So this is the next big level for ES. And for NQ, it's all these. It has some resistance around here. But honestly, the main one is gonna be all these blocks here, right? So you have here, here, and then it's gonna be here and here. Those are the main resistance to watch on NQ. How many Davids in the chat? I think 4. I think we have 4 Davids. SME just keeps pulling back. Yes, looking way better than NQ. Dun, dun, dun. Yeah, I don't love how this 5-minute candle is gonna close. Gonna wait to see how, if it's gonna close red or green. If it's red, this is what I'm expecting, guys. Where is it? Here. Yes, it's still holding pretty good. Not NQ. SMH is still pulling back. Let's try to add the VWAP. Let's see if it's gonna hold it. Need to go a little bit lower. I almost got a stop out, like by a tick. We got the SMH VWAP bounce there. Nvidia's also at the VWAP, it's trying to hold. Yeah, it's still looking pretty good. Yeah, look at ES. It is funny how ES was way weaker than NQ, and then out of nowhere we have that changing, and there's no way that we can know that, right? Like, stuff like that happens, and that's part of trading. Like, that's why it's not that easy, and not everyone can become a profitable trader, because sometimes you're gonna have markets that are very choppy, sometimes you're gonna have markets that are very easy. A lot of people started to trade when COVID happened, and that market was a very easy market to trade. And then if you haven't traded on a choppy market, you haven't really traded on a very difficult price action. And it's very difficult because it fakes you out a lot, and it plays a lot with your psychic. Like today, it's not an easy day to trade. We have very slow price action, very choppy. You have one candle telling you one thing, and the next one is telling you another thing. So that's why it's not easy to trade a choppy market. Oh yeah, on a choppy market, you don't have a clear trend on the bigger time frames. That means you gotta be ready to trade to either side. Yes. And also you gotta be ready to get fake out, not being right a lot, being good with losing. But it's all about being very patient and having a good plan, right? So if you have a good plan, you have a clear entry, stop loss, PT. Even though I don't really recommend what I'm doing right now, like looking for a move towards my PT, because the market is clearly choppy. NQ, it's clearly choppy. So this move could take the entire day or a couple of days, or it can just stop me out and then keep going higher. So I gotta be ready mentally for that. I'm holding here and asking myself if I'm being too greedy, because I want to catch this move. So am I holding this last contract just because I don't want to miss this possible move, or is it smart to do it? So what I'm thinking here right now is like, one, obviously we have NQ holding our support. Two, we have ES going, right? Three, SMH is holding the VWAP. And four, we have Nvidia holding the VWAP also. Bum, bum. Okay, SMH is losing VWAP. Same thing with Nvidia. Let's see. NQ still holding 30K. I'm out. I don't like this. I do not like these. I don't like the 30-minute candles. In fact, I think yeah, if you cannot hold 950 976 970, I think we're gonna have a lot more downside. But if it keeps holding there, I'm not gonna be here sitting watching all day this freaking level. I'm done, guys. I don't like this price action. I made over 7,300. Let me show you guys this. This is my day. I'm not gonna keep trading this. I'm done. His bright side action's horrendous. So yeah, I'm done for today, guys. I'll see you again mañana. Be careful. Don't blow up your account in this ugly ass price action. Thank you guys for being here. So yeah, see you again mañana. Thank you. Bye.
Markets making all-time highs, everything in overdrive. Every day I went from gaming rigs to power in the AI hive. Google keeps climbing while the bears still wait for the fall. Every dip gets bought back like it never dropped at all. Apes in the trenches, YOLO bets on fire. Diamond hands locked tight as the candles climb higher. Gamma squeezes ripping through the options chain. FD's up in flames, I'm pretty life-changing game. Tandis, everybody chasing tandis. Hey, I run in everything, the future's looking trendy. Body die, Robbie, that we never learned a lesson. Every day's a new rotation, Smirky got obsession. Yeah, gel exploding 30% in a single day. Microsurging on the chips that I gotta pay. Data center rising like cities made of light. Algorithms trading algorithms deep into the night. AI writing code, AI making video scenes. Automation creeping into every workflow stream. If AI does the work and the labor fades away, who's left to buy the product at the end of the day? Traders glued their headlines, eyes locked on the screen. Situation room meetings, nothing's what it seems. Decision